Hello everyone, Attorney Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC. Today talking to you about a case that I'm handling with a client. And it is, I have the permission of the client to talk about it, and it's not anything super sensitive. It's actually something that I would like you guys to check into for us and let us know in the comments or email me if your city requires, when you go into the police department to get a purchase permit for a pistol, the form that they make you fill out, whether or not that form has a required field that says you as the citizen are required to put your social security number down. Now, the client that hired me to take on his case knows that it's very simple to put a social security number down on the form. He has no problem doing that. The problem he has is that he is not required by law to give his social security number to that local municipality, that government entity, in order to apply for a pistol purchase permit. Say that one 3 times fast. But anyways, so we're sending a demand letter to the city attorney and the police department for them to read the statute. It's MCL 28.422, Section 2, Subsection 3, 3C little I number 1, which states that anyone that presents a government-issued ID, whether it's a driver's license or a state-issued ID, is that requirement satisfies the need for the local government to determine that they are in fact a United States citizen and are able to apply for a purchase permit for a pistol here in Michigan. Now, this entity, this city, has gone above and beyond what the law requires and has arbitrarily put down on their form that they can require a citizen to give them their social security number before they are able to obtain a purchase permit for a pistol, which that's not what the law says. And also, just so everyone's aware, when you have when you go into a licensed firearms dealer and they make you fill out the Department of Justice, it's the ATF form 4474, I believe is the number. But in Section 16 of that form that the federal government has you fill out when you purchase a firearm, it says that your social security number is optional. So why in blue blazes is a city, a local city, a no-name city here in Michigan requiring an individual to present their social security number before they're able to obtain a purchase permit? It's not one of the requirements by the state law, and the federal government certainly does not require it when you apply to purchase a firearm at a federally licensed firearms dealer. This might not seem like a big deal to most people that, oh, why can't the guy just provide his social security number? That's not the point. The client brought up in his, when I met with him, it's the principle. The principle is that these government entities are turning into Pharisees. And if you're not familiar what a Pharisee is, go ahead, crack open the Gospel of Matthew in the Bible and read about how Jesus would confront Pharisaical laws and principles that the Pharisees would come up with. They'd set these arbitrary goals, these arbitrary laws that had nothing to do with the Old Testament laws, and it was just to impede and hinder and burden the people. And that essentially is what's going on here. While it might not be a burden, at least initially, because providing a social security number might not be that big of a deal, however, it's the principle. It's the principle that this local entity is going above and beyond what the law requires and has now established a new rule that they're going to impose on the citizens, and that is what we call in the legal community unconstitutional. It's not following the proper process. Look, if this municipality petitions the legislature and gets them to legitimately pass a new law to require the citizens to present a social security number before getting a pistol purchase permit, so be it. Then that is the legal route to do it, but it's not for some administrative individual sitting at that police department saying, I think we're going to require our citizens to provide their social security number for us, even though it's not required by law. The video is kind of long, but I just figured I'd give you guys an update on what Radzwion Law has been up to and how we are protecting your Second Amendment rights. And really Fourth Amendment rights as well. You are to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures by all government officials. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Please leave us a comment below. It really helps us cover the topics like these and get information out to you guys. And we'll see you next time.